We made it to an island.
Oh my god, this is amazing! It's even bigger than the last one we had! Woohoo! Let's go!
Wait up for us. You're the only exposed.
Yeah, please wait for us.
Hey, what the?
What is that?
I don't know. Wait a minute.
Wait.
It's the plane we were in the last season of this. What? Oh, I wonder what happened to that. Yeah. Should I put out the fire?
Nah, just leave it.
Okay, so.
Looks so cool.
There's no time to waste. We need to keep going. Yeah, let's go.
This way.
Wait for me!
Whoa, this is amazing.
Look out, lava!
This golden pickaxe will be useful.
Nice village.
So then we began to building.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Finished.
Hey, villagers. We're going to war on the island village. Okay, but there's bad news. A new village is there. Huh. Is it from other villagers now? Is it from players now? Well, is it from, forget. Is it for, is it for the iron golems? Now. Very well. Then tell me, pillager number 2. What is this new village?